Colvale Police has arrested one accused, namely Alok Kumar from Bihar, Patna, for allegedly cheating a Thivim resident to the tune of 4,24,900 rupees on pretext of providing franchise of a ice cream company. According to the Colvale Police, accused impersonating as official of a famous ice cream company contacted the victim and offered franchisee for the purpose of setting up a new stall here in Goa. And trusting upon the accused, the victim transferred him the amount online. But the accused failed to provide him franchise of that ice cream company. Instead of that, he also sent a forged document of franchise to the victim. Now the Colvale Police has arrested the accused Alok Kumar and further investigating this case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.